Win rate, risk to reward, and trading frequency. These three pillars are deeply connected. You cannot optimize all of them at the same time. You have to make a sacrifice. If you're struggling to understand what I'm talking about, let me break it down to you. The best way I can illustrate this is using a triangle. Let's draw a triangle. Pretty neat triangle, actually. Let us put our risk to reward on the top of the triangle. Let's put our trade frequency on this end of the triangle. And then let us put our win rate on this end. So, assuming you wanted to achieve a high risk to reward ratio. And for my South African traders who like to go for 1 to 10 and 1 to 20 risk to reward ratios, this is for you. If you want to hit these high risk to rewards, your trading frequency has to increase. Now, why does your trading frequency has to increase if you want to achieve these high risk to rewards? That is because you have to take every opportunity the market gives you to try to hit this high risk to reward. High risk to rewards don't always present themselves in the market, so you have to take every opportunity the market gives you, thus increasing your trade frequency. And as we all know, the more trades you take, the more likely you are to lose. So automatically, if your trade frequency is increased, your win rate will decrease. That is how the market works. That is how it has always worked, and that is how it will continue to work. The markets are too efficient to allow you to have a high risk to reward, high trading frequency, and a high win rate. That will just never happen. So if you want to achieve these high risk to rewards, your trading frequency has to go up, and automatically your win rate will go down. That is how you can achieve your high risk to reward. Now, let's assume you want to achieve a high win rate, which is what a lot of us traders try to achieve, these high win rates. What does it look like if you want to achieve these high win rates? Well, let me draw my triangle once again so that I can illustrate what it looks like. Let's put our win rate here. Let us put our trade frequency here. And then let us put our risk to reward ratio here. So assuming you wanted to achieve a high win rate, what is going to happen to your trade frequency and what is going to happen to your risk to reward? Well, if you want to achieve a high win rate, your trade frequency has to decrease. Has to. There's no way around it. It has to decrease. Why does your trade frequency have to decrease? That is because if you want to achieve these high win rates, you have to take the best A+ setups that the market gives you. You're not just going in the market taking any setup you see. You're waiting for your best A+ setups. And not only are you waiting for your A+ setups, your risk to reward is also going to decrease. Why is that? Because you're trying to aim for these 1-to-1, 1-to-2s. Sometimes you can get away with aiming for 1-to-3s consistently and achieve a high win rate, but usually you want to stay around your 1-to-1 and 1-to-2s. Now, why is that? That is because if you want a high win rate, your risk to reward has to be little. You have to try to catch these small moves in the market because you can easily do that consistently. If you want a high win rate, your risk to reward has to be little so you can consistently get your high win rate. And your trading frequency has to be low because you're only looking for the best A+ setups. This is how it works. This is how it always will work. So as you can see, if you care more about having a high risk to reward, your trading frequency is going to increase, and automatically that is going to decrease your win rate. And if you want a high win rate, your trading frequency is going to have to decrease, and your risk to reward is going to have to also decrease and stay around 1 to 1, 1 to 2, sometimes 1 to 3 if you are very skilled in trading and if your strategy allows it. So as you can see, all these three pillars are connected, and you have to make sacrifices in order to achieve your trading goals. So at the end of the day, it all depends on your strategy and it all depends on your personality. So I hope you guys now understand the correlation between win rate, trade frequency, and risk to reward. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you got some value from this video, give it a like. Go down there in the comments and let me know you guys' favorite risk to reward ratios to target, your favorite daily risk to reward ratios to target. Mine is usually between 1 to 2 and 1 to 3. That's what I like to target. Let me know your favorite risk to rewards to target. Let me know any other feedbacks you have, and I will see you guys on the next video. Peace out.